Hey friends, welcome to this new session and a new story. Okay, so guys, today's story is about frogs. Okay, so guys, there were a lot of frogs who were actually hibernating and moving across town. Okay, so two of these frogs, while they were jumping around, they fell in a ditch. Okay, now guys, this ditch was very deep. Okay, and they were just looking up and they could see all of their friends who were just hopping around, outside the ditch. Okay, the depth of the ditch ensured that they couldn't hop out of it so easily. Okay, and the other frogs started screaming out, "Ki guys, don't try this, you will fall to your death. Okay, don't try to jump out, otherwise you will go deeper." Okay, so guys, understand that there was this scenario where there was no way that these guys or these frogs could just hop out of this ditch. Okay, and their friends were also telling them that it was not possible. In fact, they would kind of go deeper into the ditch because of the attempts. Okay, but one of the frogs did not give up, guys. Okay, and it kept trying to pounce out, and its friend saw that, and it also tried, but unfortunate for the friend, it actually went deeper and it fell to its death. Okay, and seeing that, the first frog kind of gave that glance, okay, oh my god, what happened. Okay, but it didn't give up. Okay, and it kept going, and all of a sudden it jumped out. Okay, and now guys, all the frogs came around and they started telling it how stupid it was to actually attempt such a thing. Okay, so guys, now understand that though that the frog was trying its level best, all the other frogs were screaming at it not to do it. Okay, and that was when the other frogs realized that this frog who had actually attempted to jump out of this dish was actually deaf. Okay, and it was actually seeing their hands and leg movement, it thought they were encouraging it. Okay, and because of the encouragement, it actually tried to do that and jump out. Okay, so guys, the main concept or the main idea behind the story is that there will always be people who will tell you not to do something or how to do something. Okay, but it is up to you how you take it and how well can you actually take that concept or idea and kind of either you can work as a deaf and you can just take that screaming and shouting as your encouragement, or you could be the second frog and take that discouragement and fall to your demise. Sorry, but that is the case. Okay, so guys, now it's up to you to decide what you take from the world. Okay, have a great day, guys, and keep smiling.